Hello, bastards! Masala Fish here for you. This is your takeaway restaurant style with a little bit of color. Anyway, the full recipe is on the description or in the description, should I say. Very, very simple to make. Even the simplest bastard out there can make this. No fucking excuses. Anyway, I was reading somewhere that 50% of British public take their pets to bed. So I took my fish to bed, it fucking died. So I'm making masala fish, ain't it? Going forward, you can use any white fish. I mean, you can use salmon. People use salmon, but I don't think salmon is good because salmon has a very distinctive flavor. All you need little bit salt, little bit pepper, little bit oil. That's all you need for salmon. Don't talk about with salmon. White fish very bland, so it goes well with the spices and the masalas. Don't forget to marinate at least minimum 2 hours. Don't be a complete lazy bastard. I can't wait. I want it now. Shut the fuck up, want it now. Fucking 2 hours, man. That not too much. Go watch fucking EastEnders. Go watch fucking Coronation Street. Go fucking I don't know what else you watch, but I have no idea what else is on TV these days. I don't fucking watch this shit. I remember when I was a kid, we used to call all the family. There's a brown person on the telly. It's Mr. Singh. It's Mr. So and so. Look, Indian. He's definitely Indian. Now you fucking switch TV on. You can't fucking get away from them. Brown people fucking everywhere. They're too much. I don't understand it. Anyway, oh look, cucumber raita, little bit salad, little bit rice. You can have it with chopsticks. You can have it with a fucking knife. You can have it with a fucking spoon. You can have it with your cheese sandwich. I don't really give a fuck what you have it with. All I care is you keep smiling and keep cooking, bastards. Enjoy!